Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a brooch lot that I got from Jewelry Nurse. I will link her channel down below in case you want to check her out. And I also pulled two pairs of earrings out of my collection to share with you guys. Up first, let's do these first. These are sterling silver and the palest gorgeous citrine color. They're like canary yellow. There's a tiny little accent diamond up there. They are leather bags. And we can do these for $33 if anybody's interested. And then next we have another pair of leatherback. These are I think silver plated metal. This is rock crystal quartz and a little rose quartz. Focus camera, there we go. Gorgeous. Love these earrings. And we can do those for $20. All right, let's get into the brooch lot. Up first, I have Noah's Ark. And it is 2 inches. And we can do that one for $2 if anybody's interested. And next we have a pair of golf clubs and enameled brooch. It is about 1.25 inches. And we can do that one for $2. And next we have this brass kitty cat. He is a good size. Let's see. He's about 3 inches. Oh, I better close the pin before I get poked. Let's see. Okay. There's the back. And we can do him for $4. And let's do this one. And next I have a pretty intaglio glass. It is like an amber colored glass. And there's the back on this one. Focus camera, come on. There we go. It is going to be just over 1 inch. And we can do that one for $8. All right. And next we have this pretty silver tone circle brooch. And it is almost 2 inches. We can do that one for $3. Alrighty. And we have a duck. And he is 1.75 inches. We can do him for $3. I'm going to do this one. This one, the pearl fell out, but I do have the pearl. So if anybody is interested in this one and would like to repair it, we can do that one for $1. All right. Let's see here. Then we have this one. This one's pretty. Looks 1940s to me. Gold tone. This is pretty. I like this brooch. It's about 2 inches. And we can do that one for $12. And then we have a fun one. We have this one with the little dangles. I like the little heart charm there. And there is the back. And it is about 2 inches long. And we can do that one for $3. And this is the reason I bought the lot. I collect bows. And I really like it. But I decided to show you anyways. But I'm keeping that one. I really like the bows. Here's another bow that I really like, but I'm going to offer it because we can't keep it all, right? It is gold tone. Has a good space so you could wear it on a strand of beads or pearls. And it is about 1.5 inches long, and we can do that one for $4. And another thing I collect is stick pins, but I think I have these or very similar to it, so I'm going to offer them to you guys if I can get a hold of them. Ow, and not poke myself. All right, we got a seashell, and let's do one at a time. We have a crescent moon and a seashell. And we could do either of these for $5. All right. What else do we have? Doll Artisan Guild. I don't know what this is, but I guess that's a little doll with her bonnet. It is just over 1 inch. We can do that one for $1. Let's do this one. I like this one. Oops, sorry, I banged the desk. This one is very well made. It's got a nice weight to it. Very pretty. Oh, the pins are undone. I keep poking myself. Okay. It is about 1 3/4 of an inch. And we can do that one for $8. I like this too. This is a little pin back, and it says whatever it takes. A little self-motivation is always good. It is almost 2 inches long, and we can do this one for $2. And this one's cute. It's a little seashell, and it's got white enamel, gold tone. And it is 1.5 inches. And we can do that one for $3. We have some lucky wishbones, a little faux pearl, and a green rhinestone. And it's about 1.25 inches. And we can do $3 on that one. And we have a little circle brooch, and we can do that one for $1. And this one's cute too. It's a little cowboy hat. Really cute. About 1.25 inches on that one also. We can do that one for $3. Then we have this one. This is another reason why I bought the lot. This is West Germany carved mother of pearl. I love this. This is beautiful. And let's see, the lighting's giving it a glare. It's really pretty. We can do this one for $15. I guess you want to know how big it is. It is about 2 1/4 inch. And we'll do that one for $15. And here's another little bow. This one is Crown Trap R8, and if no one purchases it, I will not list it. It will go in my bow collection. It is 1 1/4 inch, and we can do that one for $8. And let's see, we've got a tiny little cherub or an angel. Very cute. It's about 1 inch. We can do him for $2. And then we have this one. And it is probably about 1 inch. Yep, 1 inch. And we can do that one for $8. I like this one too. This guy's cool. He has enamel. He does have a little bit of enamel loss. I don't care. It gives him character. It's a little man in his top hat with his little cane and his little black enameled shoes. And I don't know if you can tell, but he's got a mustache. And I love this. It's so cute. And he's about 1.25 inches. And we can do that one for $8 also. And then we have a scarf clip with lots of fingerprints on it. If you purchase these, I will clean them up for you. And it's a pretty design. We can do that one for $2. It is about 1.5 inches. And we're down to the last one, guys. This one's cute. He's about 4 inches when you stretch him all the way. It's a little doggy in his dog house. How cute is this? This is another reason why I bid on the lot. This is so cute. All right. And so for this one, we can do $15. If you're interested in anything you've seen here, I will put my email address down in the description. If I don't respond to an email, leave me a comment because sometimes it goes to spam and I don't see it, especially if you're new. I really appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much, and I'll be back soon. Bye.